We're good to start. Okay. I'm not good to start. I'm not ready.
All right, thank you. Okay, hi, I'm Emily Manassa, and I'm a Pi Beta Phi.
And I'm Sarah Fouts, as you probably know from the tons of mass emails lately. And I'm from Kappa Kappa Gamma.
Okay, so welcome to the 2018 Olympic Greek Week show. For those of you who don't know what Greek Week is, pretty much it's a week of events where Greeks compete against, but kind of with each other, to raise money towards our organization that we've chosen this year, which is the Monmouth-Roseville School District, to keep it local.
And we've had a great week so far, right? And we look forward to seeing all of your hard work and effort in your performances.
And we'd also like to introduce our judges tonight.
First, we have Hadley Smith-Heisler, president of Rotaract and lead Stockdale mentor. Second, we have Jim Fry, associate director of Residence Life. And third, we have Ryan Doyle, assistant director of campus events.
Thank you so much to our judges tonight. Our first performance will be Alpha Xi Delta, Alpha Tau Omega, and Phi Delta Theta.
gon' give it to you. Wait for you to get it on your own. X gon' deliver to you. Now open up the door, it's real. Like a non-stop pop out from stainless steel. Go hard, getting busy with it. But I got such a good heart that I make a mother wonder if you did it. Damn right, and I do it again. Cause I am life, so I got to win. Break bread with the enemy. No matter how many cats I break bread with.
No surprise that the purple team lost once again. Hashtag Roll Scots.
Our next act will feature the ATO god Brady Crane and demigod Trent Rampley.
As they're preparing their act, let's imagine ourselves live from Tilted Tower. What is it? Is it Tilted Towers? Yeah.
That was a really great battle royale.
And our next act will feature the Alpha Xi Delta goddess, Mary Kate Luzzo, and demigod, Tori Chaffee.
This act doesn't need much of an introduction, so Mary Kate, the floor is all yours.
investigating the floor. We don't want any injuries to be sustained. Sorry.
Forgot a towel.
I'm gonna use it.
All right.
That was like the Krusty Krab of performances.
No chum buckets here tonight.
Our next performance will be Zeta Beta Tau and Pi Beta Phi.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the 2018 Greek Games. Let's introduce the two teams that will be competing this year. First, we have Team Away, all the way from far, far away. And their competitors, the Fighting Scots, all the way from Monmouth, Illinois. This year is bound to be a tough battle in the hopes of moving on to the next round of competition.
I agree. I'm excited for an interesting day of matches. These teams will be competing in 3 games to determine who will represent the National Panhellenic and Interfraternity Council in this year's international competitions. These games will include a balloon blowing contest, egg toss, and a 3-legged race. Let's wish them all good luck.
All right. I hope the teams have taken the time to prepare for this one. It's a tough day. Let's hear it. It looks like Team Far Far Away won. Congratulations.
Wow, even though MC didn't win, they sure had great sportsmanship.
Definitely, but it looked like they had a little bit of trouble with their balloons.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough. And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up. And they stay there, and they say yeah, and they say there. Cause all I do is win, win, win. And if you going in, put your hands in the air.
All right, I'm interested to see the different techniques as we move into the next game. The egg toss can be challenging for any competitor.
Let's hope they don't crack under pressure, otherwise they have a tough time going to the next game.
All right, it looks like the competitors are ready. On your marks, get set, go. What a tough loss for the away team. Excellent work, MC, at securing another great victory.
If we keep using these puns, we may be egged off stage. Anyways, great job to each team.
Now, for the most intense game of the night, the three-legged race. I've seen many try, but only few succeed.
Back in my day, only the most skilled athletes even dared to compete in this race.
Only time will tell, I guess. All right, teams, are you ready? On your marks, get set, go. What's going on over there? Looks like MC has fallen. It looks like they could be out of the competition.
But wait, Far Far Away is helping them up.
Ladies and gentlemen, in the history of the Greek Games, I haven't ever seen a tie like this before.
Me either. The level of sportsman here is unparalleled.
I'd say we
give
you this year's Greek Game winners.
We truly are all in this together.
So for our next performance, coming out of retirement from Pi Beta Phi, Carrie Dodson and Allie Warfield.
Glad they had their head in the game.
This next act will surely hit all the Scots in the fields.
Please welcome our next God and demigod skit, TJ Wise and Kurt Holzer.
Hey everyone, TJ and Kurt are lacing up their shoes and putting on their kilt, so be patient.
I sure hope our next skit doesn't drop the ball or beanbag.
You can't drop the ball when you're in doll. Our next act, reaching for gold, is Kappa Kappa Gamma and Sigma Phi Epsilon.
domination.
with it.
I swear I just saw a bald eagle fly somewhere across Doll right now.
And with that, our next God and Demigod act is Sam Dummer and Austin Fout.
Ooh, nah, 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 nah. Come on, you'll get it.
wise. Don't try what you're about to see at home. We've practiced a lot. You can see it sometimes. And so we know what we're doing. So rehearse if you're going to do it in front of a crowd of people like we have. We're not in any danger. It's totally great. You ready? Yeah. Hit it.
Deadwood stages are rolling on over the plains, with the curtains flapping and the driver a-slapping the reins. A beautiful sky, a wonderful day. Whip, crack away, whip, crack away, whip, crack away. Oh, the Deadwood stages are heading on over the hills, where the engine arrows are thicker than porcupine quills. Dangerous land, no time to delay. So whip, crack away, whip, crack away, whip, crack away. We're heading straight for town, loaded down with the fancy cargo, care of Wells and Fargo, Illinois. Boy, the Deadwood stages are coming on over the crest, like a homing pigeon that's a hankering after its nest. 23 miles we've covered today. So whip, crack away, whip, crack away, whip, crack away.
Now you guys know why we didn't have anybody sit in the front row.
Thanks. While we're just setting up, just waiting. Our final act reminds us why we're here tonight. Get your tissues ready for Lydia Hill and Kylie Monroe.
Imagine there's no heaven. It's easy if you try. No hell below us. Above us, only sky. Imagine all the people living for today. Imagine there's no countries. It isn't hard to do. Nothing to kill or die for. No religion too. Imagine all the people living life in peace. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us, and the world will be as one. Imagine no possessions. I wonder if you no need for greed or hunger. A brotherhood of man. Imagine all the people sharing
about you guys, but if this was The Voice, I definitely would have pushed my buzzer.
While we wait for the results to be tallied, we would like to invite all of our gods, goddesses, demigods, and demigoddesses come to the stage. And also, I'd like to give a huge shout out to Alpha Zeta Delta because we kind of stole what you guys do, and I want to trademark it, so thanks. So, just a reminder to all of you people, please keep your answers appropriate, especially you, Brady Crane.
I didn't know where side we were starting at.
All right, Brady. So, he's a senior ATO, and he's going to choose between a funny or serious question. Wait, which one?
Funny.
Okay, pick your question, please, sir. Brady Crane, what's your best feature?
Personality.
Personality matters, that's right. All right, Trent,
Funny.
please pick it out of the... All right, Trent, what's your spirit animal and why?
On all levels except physical, I am a wolf.
Jordan? He said serious.
If you had a lot of money, which philanthropic organization would you donate to?
Live Like Lou, our national feature.
Great answer.
Would you like a funny or serious question? Pick from the blue one, please. What's your favorite month of the year and why?
Damn. I would say it would be May because we would all leave Monmouth and go back to our homes.
Okay.
Okay. All right. All right, Kylie, would you like a serious or a funny question? Nobody wants my questions, so.
Funny? Kylie, please pick. No worries. All right, very serious question on the table, but also funny. At a restaurant, Kylie, do you prefer a booth or a table?
A booth, obviously.
That's right.
Short, sweet, to the point. Lydia, serious or funny? Thank you. No. Sisterly love. Thanks. Who's your favorite person in another Greek organization and why? Notice I said another Greek organization because it'd be me. I'm just kidding.
No.
No.
I would say Abby Hubbard. She's just kind of like, she's always a ray of sunshine, and she's also helped me through some stuff, like more than she probably even thinks that she has, just whether it's like catching me on a bad day or anything else. Like, she's just a really good person, and she deserves the best.
Good answer.
All right, Austin, funny or serious? Okay. If you could eat any food for the rest of your life, we're talking breakfast, lunch, dinner, dinner. Okay, ready?
Cheese.
All right, Sam, funny or serious?
I'm going to have to go with those Young Money funny ones.
Young Money funny. All right, Sam Dummer, let's take it back to approximately a little over a year ago when you met the Mary Kate Lezzo. What was your best pickup line? Please keep it appropriate.
Oh, jeez. Oh, God.
Do we need some time on the clock?
Yeah, some time is not.
Okay. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. We don't have that much time.
You gotta answer.
I'm going to say, hey, you forgot something in your planner because I'm the date that you want.
All right, Allie. Serious or funny?
Funny, please.
Funny, funny, funny.
I'm just gonna stop asking. It's fine.
All right, Allie. What would you do in an apocalypse? Where would you go?
I would probably go hide in my mom's basement with my dog.
Solid answer.
Family feud.
All right, Carrie Dodson. Serious or funny? Okay, pick. We're not serious here. It is funny. All right, to preface this, many people use this to determine their compatibility with others. So, Carrie Dotson, what's your zodiac sign? Did you have to look it up on Google?
I am a Sagittarius.
I don't know what that's compatible with, but I bet Google has the answer. All right. Funny or serious?
Funny.
I need to recycle these two when I'm finished. All right, the tables have turned. What's your funniest joke?
Can I get a minute to think?
Like 33 seconds. Yeah.
Improv.
Are you finished?
I still can't.
Do you really need a new question? Because we can supply those. Okay. Fortnite or PUBG?
None. Battlefield.
Oh. What about Mario Kart? I like that, but no one likes that, I guess.
All right.
Oh,
Funny or
right.
serious?
Okay.
Thank you. What's your favorite memory through Greek life?
That would probably be meeting my good papa here.
Mary Kate Lezzo, funny or serious? Okay. All right, if you had to bring anyone back to life for a hot second and only a hot second, who would it be?
My grandpa Jim, because he was a great guy.
Aww. Last but not least, Tori, funny or serious? Okay, last question. Tori, what is your relationship status?
I'm single.
That's a good question. All right, can we get a big round of applause for all these people? Alrighty, we have the results right here in my hand. Okay. First things first, can we turn yourselves around and look at these lovely banners we slaved on?
We moved them, but
If you haven't looked, look again. Alrighty, so in third place, drum roll please, we have Alpha Zeta Delta. In second place, drum roll please, we have Alpha Tau Omega. And in first place, we have, drum roll please, Pi Beta Phi.
All right, everybody did a great job on their banners, so now for the results of the dances. In third place, Sigma Phi Epsilon and Kappa Kappa Gamma. In second place, Alpha Z Delta, Alpha Tau Omega, and Phi Delta Theta. And in first place, Zeta Beta Tau and Pi Beta Phi.
That's right.
All right, that's all we got for you guys. Thanks everybody for coming out. But
Yes.
while you're leaving, ASAP is having an event tonight in the Scotland Yard from 9 to 11. There's open mic, and it's also featuring CVOP, Denzel, and Megan and Paul. So stop on over.